Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Tap the plus button and choose Drummer to create a new drummer track. Set the project tempo and time signature before recording the drummer part. Choose a genre like rock, pop, or electronic to match your song. Pick a kit and drummer character to shape tone and feel instantly. Adjust the region length to 1 bar, 4 bars, or 16 bars for arrangement. Record or drag the region into place to hear a looped performance. Save your project after verifying the initial beat and basic arrangement for later editing. Move the XY pad to change groove, complexity, and loudness in real time. Use the preset menu to switch patterns between verse, chorus, and bridge variations. Use fills and swing knobs to add personality and human feel while keeping tight timing. Open the kit view to enable or mute individual kit pieces for mix control. Adjust the kit piece levels and tweak mic bleed to refine tone and spatial placement. Lock a good groove by copying favored regions into later sections of the arrangement. Convert a drummer region to MIDI to edit individual hits in the piano roll. Quantize or nudge MIDI notes to correct timing or create humanized grooves intentionally. Automate dynamics with region automation and the drummer controls for smooth transitions and crescendos. Replace sounds by dragging alternate kits or swapping individual drum samples for tonal variation. Solo or mute the drummer track and export stems to mix in another project or collaborate. Bounce the full mix to WAV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.